In previous lecture, as I was telling you that the same procedure we can do on this frame also, but to reduce the time, what we can do is that we can just draw a reverse rectangle here. Click delete option on your keyboard, select this frame. You should notice one thing, that why I draw this reverse rectangle, because there are two types of rectangle. One option is this, like this. So here you can see that when I am drawing a rectangle from left to right, if this rectangle is covering this member 1 prismatic 12 into 750, but it is not covering the full length of the section, this member will not be selected. But if I will draw a reverse rectangle, that is from this point to this point, this section will be selected. So by doing this, all the members, all the joints and all the shells that are in the profile or in the range of this reverse rectangle, all of them will be selected. So as we need to copy this whole arrangement about this column, so what we can do is that we can select all the beams and all the joints, go to edit, and then you can replicate. So here you have an option of radial. So on radial, what you can do is that there are two options, center and specify. So you can left click on pick one point on model, click this joint, select the angle as 180, and just point your mouse over this apply, and then you can see that the whole sections and all the properties are being rotated, and it is like being copied. And you can also left click on modify, show replicate options for a sign. So here we have an option that either we want to copy all the properties and all the things, so left click on apply and then left click again on OK. So now we have saved a lot of time of ourselves by doing this simple option.